Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove games from your Steam wishlist. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and on the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Store. Go ahead and click on it to access the Steam Store page. This is where you can browse games, check out sales, and manage your wishlist. Now, once you're on the Store page, look at the upper right panel of your screen. You'll notice a wishlist option sitting right beside the cart icon. Click on Wishlist to proceed. This will take you directly to your personal wishlist page where all the games you've saved for later are displayed in one convenient location. Take a moment to browse through your wishlist and locate the game you want to remove. Your wishlist shows all the titles you've added over time, complete with their prices and any current discounts. This makes it easy to keep track of games you're interested in and spot when they go on sale. Once you've found the game you want to remove, look to the right side of that game's entry. Right beside the game name, you'll see a button that says Remove. This button is specifically designed to let you quickly clean up your wishlist and get rid of games you're no longer interested in purchasing. Simply click the Remove button and the game will be instantly deleted from your wishlist. You won't see any confirmation pop up or additional steps. The game will just disappear from your list immediately, making the process quick and straightforward. And that's it. You've successfully removed a game from your Steam wishlist, keeping your list organized and focused on the titles you actually want to buy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.